Question number 3, bit C. The question states that a rectangular plate of 70 mm by 40 mm side is resting on edge. It is inclined in such a way that it is observed as a square of 40 mm by 40 mm in the top view. Complete the projections and find the inclination with HP. So here, inclination of the plate is with HP. That means if you neglect the surface angle, then the true shape of the rectangular plate will be seen in top view. There is another hint which is also given in question, that is the reduced shape, that is square of 40 mm by 40 mm is seen in top view, which again indicates the true shape should be drawn in top view. So starting with the first basic step, that is drawing a XY line here, then drawing a vertical projector. So this is our XY line. Now here the distance is not mentioned, so we can take any distance we want. So I'm taking 20 mm here, leaving it. Then I have to take distance of 40 mm. You have to take the shorter side here on the left, because that's the only position in which the top view can be a square of 40 mm by 40 mm. So here you have to take 70 mm length. Then you have to draw the projector and complete the rectangle. So this is the rectangular plate. If we neglect the angle in the first stage, we get this true shape. And here I'm taking this as the first front view. Resting is not given on HP, so I am not taking this front view on XY line. Let us label it. So I'm giving the name A, B, C and D. Accordingly, the front view points will be A dash, B dash here, C dash and D dash here. Now, usually we take this true length and incline it at a given angle. Here the angle is not given to us, rather it is to be found out. But this shape, instead of this rectangular shape, it looks a square here. So we can continue in this manner, taking the projectors in front. This 40 will be carried as it is. So this is 40 and this 70 is reduced to 40. So you have to take this as 40 mm and you have to close it. Now as the shape has changed, the name should change. So here it should be A1, B1, C1 and D1. Now here this resting side A, B remains at the same location here on this locus, A dash, B dash. But this should be inclined and we have to find the inclination because that length is not going to change. So what you have to do is you have to take this 70 mm in your compass, keeping at this point, cutting an arc. You just have to join these points. And here it should be C dash D dash. This is the angle theta which was asked in the question. So using D, you can find the angle which comes to be, it's 54 here. You can have variation of 1 or 2 degrees. So the answer will be theta equals to 54 degrees in this case. You can have a variation of 1 or 2 degrees. Whatever you are getting the answer, you should write the same answer here. The only thing which is remaining here is the dimensions. So let's give those dimensions here. So this is 40, this is 70, and you have to locate here like this. You have to show that these all sides are equal, so it's a square. This completes the solution.